Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a unique and practical addition to your kitchen decor, a tea towel. First, you'll need to gather your materials. You'll need a plain cotton tea towel, fabric paint, paint brushes, and a pencil or fabric marker. Next, choose a design for your tea towel. It can be anything from a simple geometric pattern to a more elaborate illustration. Use your pencil or fabric marker to sketch out your design on the tea towel. Now it's time to start painting. Use your fabric paint and paint brushes to fill in the design you sketched out earlier. Be sure to use a light touch and work in small sections to avoid smudging or bleeding. Once your paint is dry, your tea towel is ready to use. You can use it to dry dishes, as a trivet for hot pots and pans, or even as a decorative accent in your kitchen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy DIY tutorials. Happy crafting! Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos.
Wit videos.
Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos.